Gary Lee Stanley, your coffee talk sales guy. It's coffee time. We're going to talk about our favorite subject, which is real estate. I hope I'm live. Hey, guy, is there anybody there? This is Gary Lee Stanley live. It's coffee talk, and it's time to talk about our favorite subject, which is real estate. Okay, I got a cool open house tomorrow. Excuse me, Sunday. That's 8/1 of 2021. Just a little coffee talk. We're going to talk about a property that I'm going to be working on this particular Sunday in Lordy, Florida. Lordy. We're going to talk about it. And I just had to bring this to your attention. I want to say hi to all my friends that are out there. My name is Gary Lee Stanley. I work for Exit Real Estate Gallery right here in Jacksonville, Florida. And I'll tell you what, I was busy out today showing some homes out in Lordy, and I was also showing some homes in McClinty, Florida with one of my customers today. And somebody said, "Hey, Gary, how are you doing?" So I figured I'd say, howdy. I'm doing pretty doggone good. And today we're just going to have a live little show. We're going to talk about a property that I'm getting ready to work on this coming Sunday, 8/1. Let me go ahead and give you some information. First, I've got to pick out one of my pairs of glasses. Do you like these? These? Or do you like these? I don't know. They all look kind of weird, and I hate wearing them. But, as you get a little bit older, you got to wear your glasses, okay? And they're not sunglasses, but I like these pink ones. They look kind of cool. I don't care what you think. I like to look cool. So we'll look real cool. First off, we're going to talk about a beautiful property right in Lordy, Florida. We're going to be going to 22490 Pine Street. I said Pine Street in Lordy, Florida, 32058. And we are going to be able to have a wonderful time. We're getting ready to go see an excellent home. It's a 3-bedroom and it's 2 bath. And it comes with 1,653 square feet. That is one heck of a nice size house. 1,653 square feet home. It was built in 1999. And remember, guys, this is live, so if I mess up, okay, well, that's just the way life is sometimes. And believe it or not, guys, this is a wonderful home. It's in a great location. It's about 30 minutes right outside of Jacksonville, the city. It's also about 20 minutes from downtown as far as in Clay County, which is right there in Orange Park. It's about 25 minutes from some really great shopping, some dining. If you are a person who likes to be at the beach, it's less than an hour away. If you are wanting to have a home that's going to be perfect for you and you're going to be able to work in Gainesville or even at Rayford Prison, they're about 30 minutes away as far as Gainesville is concerned. And the community is a wonderful community. It's a gym, and I'm just going to say this, Lottie is going to blow up, okay? I have a couple of customers out there, and it is just an up and coming. So if you're looking for a home at a reasonable price, it's something that's going to work best for you, give me a call at 904-662-8933. Just ask for your friend Gary Lee, and I'll walk you through the difficult process of trying to figure out which house do I want. Or maybe you're trying to sell your house and you need somebody to help you to get through that, and I'm there for you. We do it with a smile every time. See, I wear a smiley face. I always do. But when we talk about business, it's all business, okay? And today we're just having a little bit of coffee talk, having a little bit of fun, and we're getting ready to preview a house. Like I said, I'll be out there this Sunday. We'll take a look at the pictures that are on the MLS. The MLS is what we use as realtors to be able to see what's on the market. It gives us all the facts and the figures. It gives us all the information that we can print out for our customers. So a lot of times what will happen is when you get a realtor, we fill one of these little things out and we give you your copy when we take you out to take a look at homes, and it'll give a breakdown of the size of the home. It'll give a breakdown of all the features and benefits of the home. It'll also give you information. Let me put my glasses back on. Stuff as far as the listing date, what they have as far as square footage, how many bath, dining, fireplace, and you'll just have a tremendous amount of information here that your realtor will be able to give you. We pull this again from the NMLS, and the advantage by having this is if you are a person who's looking to buy a home, we're going to be able to see what's out there in the market. We're going to also, if you are a person who's trying to sell your home, like these particular nice people at 22490 Pine Street, Lawdy, Florida, 32058, we will be able to see what's available in the community so we can sell your home at a good price. Because remember, if you want to sell your home, it's about the marketing. It's about how you get that information out there to your people. Your people need to see what you got. And if they don't see it, they have no clue. And I work for Exit Real Estate Gallery, and we do it right the first time. And the advantage there is we have so many marketing tools that it would just blow your mind. So if you're interested in selling your home, give me a chance. I'll give you a preview. We'll talk about what's in it for you as far as selling your home. If you're also a person who's trying to purchase a home, my simple job is to help you figure out where's your budget, what you want to do. And I also have a great feature that you can put as an app on your phone. And if you go to my website, which is yourrealestatesalesguy.com, which is right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yourrealestatesalesguy.com. You can take a look at all the houses that are in the Northeast Florida area. And what happens is you want to go ahead and download this app. It comes with it once you start looking for homes. This little app, it looks just like, I don't know if you can see it right there. It comes on your phone. You can pull it up. And when you pull this up, what it'll do is it will take you right directly to my website, my Exit Real Estate Gallery website. And what you see that right there? And it's under yourrealestatesalesguy.com. And if you'll go ahead and put your information in, and if you'll go ahead and you scroll, you can see all the different homes that are for sale. That could be new construction. You can just type in new construction. You can put in a zip code. You can put it in an area that's interesting to you. And what'll happen is you'll start looking through it. It's got a filter. With the filter, what it'll do is give you the capability to price your homes in the price range that's affordable to you based on, how much you can afford. That sounds good to me. And see, here's the thing. It's also got little hearts on it. So you can heart the homes that you're interested in. Get back with old Gary Lee at 904-662-8933. And what we'll do is we'll set an appointment. We'll go out there like I did today, early in the morning, early to bed, early to rise. And then you can get up and go take a look at these homes because, believe it or not, they go real quick. And so in this regard, you can pick the home that's best for you if you're trying to buy one. Also, it's really a nice advantage when you have someone like myself who works for a great company. We've got 7 locations right here in Jacksonville, Florida. Again, I work for Exit Real Estate Gallery, and today we've got a premiere of a home that I think you'll like. It's very beautiful. Again, I really think it's lovely in the neighborhood. The community, Lawdy, is such an up-and-coming community, but it's right outside of Middleburg. Again, it's not too far from, like I said, 30 minutes from Gainesville. They've got a brand new road system that's out there that can take you almost all over and get you anywhere you want in a really timely manner. They really have made that area. So I believe that in the future here shortly, it's going to blow up. It's just, there's already houses that are off of 301, which are in that area that it'll just blow your mind. And the connection, the location. And my name is Gary Lee Stanley, okay? Recently, like I said, I got, this is my business card, okay, right here. Oh, Gary Lee with a little thumbs up. And I had these made not too long ago, but I wasn't happy with them because you can't really read the information at the bottom. So I went ahead and did some work. And now you can check out my telephone number, actually 904-662-8933. And on the back of my business card, it has your realestatesalesguy.com, and it'll take you directly to my website. So that way you can go ahead and start looking for the home of your dream. And then that way you can also kind of see what's out in the market if you're trying to sell your home. And get with me, and I'll be more than glad to help you, walk you through that difficult process. And I'll always do it with a smile, because my name is Gary Lee Stanley. I am your real estate sales guy, and I also help people with life insurance, guys. I help people with mortgage insurance, because if you buy a house, if something happens, you don't want to run into a situation where you can't afford to pay for the beautiful home that you're living in right now. And believe me, I talk to a lot of people. They have no insurance at all. They have basic coverage, but they have nothing that's in place, especially when they first buy their home. And my simple job is just to help them get what they need. So I wear two hats. Okay. Cha-ching. Again, it's coffee time with your realtor, Gary Lee Stanley, right here in Jacksonville, Florida. I take care of all of Northeast Florida, and we always do it with a smile. So let's go ahead and dive right on into our pictures so we can take a look at this beautiful home. Ain't nothing better than some coffee. Okay, so let's just take a look. I'm going to move this little camera. I'm going to show you what's available. Now, this particular home right here, sorry for the delay. Okay, this particular home, again, is a 3-2. It's screened in. It also has a front porch and a back porch. I don't know if you can see that, but I hope you can. We'll just click through some of the pictures. It's got a 2-car garage. It's kind of nice little awning out there, so that can cover your cars if you're out there washing them. You've got a really nice, let's take a look and see what else we have here. If you have an RV, they've already set something up for you in place. We do have a lot of people who are RV people, and with that in mind, it makes a difference when you're out there wanting to put something away. Some people have campers, some people have a boat, and that would be perfect for somebody to put their boat or their camper or trucks or cars or whatever you have. Let's take another look. Now, this particular picture shows you the basic background and it's all, remember, it's got a screened-in pool. Sorry for some of the picture quality. This is your lanai and your pool area. Check out those beautiful stone there, brick. This is a salt water pool. That means that it's going to be a safe pool. They've got a system already placed there, and you don't have to use as many chemicals, because we do have a lot of people who don't like to use a lot of chemicals. So if you're looking for a home, you want to get something that's got a saltwater pool. Saltwater pool means softer skin. It doesn't bleach out your beautiful your outfits, your swimming outfits. It doesn't give you the red eyes, and it's just a better, more healthier way, because it's always creating chlorine. It just makes a difference. And this particular one is also screened in. A lot of the homes here in Northeast Florida don't have that. And so if you were to purchase one of these pools and this particular thing separate, you'd spend a lot of money. So they've already got it all set up for you. All we have to do is go dip our toe right in the water. Okay. Let's take a look at some more. Sorry about the shaky. Okay, this is just another beautiful view of the pool. It's all covered up. Again, here in Florida, we have so many beautiful days, and some people they like to go ahead and swim all year round. It looks like they've got a jacuzzi there. Just a little bit more, and you got a fountain there, which is beautiful. This is your back porch area. Your beautiful kitchen, large cabinets. It's got a nice color to it. Again, it's very clean. Look at the floor. It looks very pretty. Nice display area. Looks like they have a wine rack already set up for you. It's got your basic stuff that you need for your amenities. Again, another view of the kitchen. And what I'm doing is just giving you a preview, because I'll do a live preview when I'm out there on the grounds to show you what it looks like. Nice little place to hide your washer and dryer. Nice little dining room area, vaulted ceilings. Nice foyer here for the front door. Come on in. Welcome home. Beautiful fireplace. Nice. We do get some cold weather here in Northeast Florida, sometimes in the 20s and 30s, and some people like to enjoy having a nice fire, and they enjoy having a little bit of time just to just snuggle up. Beautiful area for your fireplace. Again, this is a 3-bedroom. Look at the vaulted ceilings. They really did go out of their way to make it look very pretty. Nice sized garden tub, shower, bathroom. Again, this is a full bathroom. That is a two. It says 3-2, so they have 2 bathrooms, which is nice in case you have other people living with you. Again, it's not too far if you do have children. Their schools are not too far away, less than about 10 minutes away. You can take bikes on there. Beautiful little rooms. And again, guys, what I wanted to do is just give you a basic preview. This is a brick home. It's a covered fronts and back. It's at 22490 Pine Street, Laude, Florida, 32058. Come see me at my open house this weekend, this Sunday, and take a look at this beautiful home. Again, this is a beautiful home right in Laude at 22490 Pine Street, Laude, Florida, 32058. This is a 3-2. It's 1,653 square foot home, built in 1999. They're only asking $350 for this home. It is a saltwater pool. It has a lanai that's all under the canopy, so you don't have to worry about mosquitoes and things like that. An all brick home, covered front, back, and porch, and a 2-car garage. What can you ask for? You couldn't ask for anything better than that, guys. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of a preview of what's coming up. I'm getting ready to do an open house this particular Sunday, which is, what is that, August 1st, which is Sunday. Just come on out and ask for your friend. Give me a call. We are GPS friendly, but if you need me, if you can't find where the place is, give me a call at 904-662-8933. Just ask for your friend Gary Lee, because, see, I work for Exit Real Estate Gallery. I'd love to be able to walk you through the process of getting the home of your dreams. So do me a favor, come out and come see me at my open house, okay? We'll be at 22490 Pine Street, Laude, Florida, 32058. And thank you for spending a little bit of time, coffee time, with your realtor, Gary Lee Stanley. So do me a favor, if you want to check out my free website, you're welcome to go ahead and check it out. And you can go ahead and look for the home of your dreams. Do me a favor, just leave your basic information. And once you're done, you say, Gary, I need some help. Give me a call at 904-662-8933. Pick out the house that you like. Or if you're trying to sell your home, give me a call at 904-662-8933 and check out my free website at yourrealestatesalesguy.com. Oh, we just had a lot of fun. I can't wait to see you this Sunday at the open house right here in Laude, Florida. All right. Isn't it, baby?